So I was talking earlier about the armor that I've made for this fender. You can see it. We're now skim coating everything, make it slick. I had this one when I did it earlier. Since then, I've made the one that's right here on this fender. Let me move this bottle so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. Get back here to the side, you can kind of see it. Goes all the way around. And then the front fender, I did it on it too. You kind of see the angle it's from right there. You see this thing looks like a big old, I don't know what it looks like, it's wild. Well anyway, I'll get some more done.